Thanks, Johnny. What I love about this group and this call is that, we focus on prospecting. Prospecting is the lifeblood of this business, no matter which division you're working in. Johnny did a great job of identifying, there are different types of prospecting, but ultimately, I want to make sure, I always try to point out, you're going to do the process, which is break the ice, discovery. Discovery could be on a couple of different contacts, a couple of different calls. I don't know what list you're working on. It's going to go a lot faster if you're on a super warm list. It's going to be different if you've already met somebody at a networking meeting. It could be a cold list, could be somebody off social media. You're going to perfect the skills of being able to do it. But the process is break the ice, do discovery. Means you're trying to, if I'm field training somebody, I want you to be able to give me information that you've come up with while you've been building the relationship. I'm going to expand your relationship with the person when we finally get to that three-way call decision maker situation. But you, every step of the way with everything you do, is creating the relationship with that cold, lukewarm, or if it's already warm, it's still establishing the professional relationship of what you're trying to do. So make sure, and one thing, Johnny, I always try to share when we do discovery, let's don't make it bullet point questions trying to do an interrogation. We ask questions. What happens there is a person immediately puts the sales wall up because they know that you're asking those questions for a reason. Learn how to be able to get that information out of the conversation, okay, not an interrogation. Back to you.